What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Half Evil unboxing. This is going to be a super quick video, but I definitely wanted to do this unboxing because huge shout out to Half Evil. They finally hit 100k followers. That's huge because honestly, not trying to be that guy, but I'm pretty sure I followed Half Evil around 2,000-ish followers. I've been on them for about 3 years now, and even you can fact check this on the channel. I was actually the very first person to make a Half Evil unboxing on YouTube. So not trying to be that guy, but I've been with them for a minute. So I'm just so happy to see how far they have came, and huge shout out to Half Evil again. They did just do this drop for reaching 100,000 followers, and they dropped t-shirts and this crew neck. I took an L on the crew neck, but that crew neck is beautiful. I wish I was able to get my hands on that. I actually have not seen one pop up for resale yet. If you are by chance selling that crew neck in a size large or extra large, let me know in the comments down below because I would be very interested in buying that from you. So even though this has been a long intro, let's just get right into this unboxing because that's why you're here. But stick around to the end of the video if you want to hear about the giveaway I'm going to be doing. But let's just jump right into the unboxing part of this video. So here it is right here. Like I said, it's going to be super quick because it is just one thing. Obviously by the beginning you can tell I didn't get the crew neck. So I don't think they did any stickers. It doesn't look like it. I didn't see anything online about that. So yeah, I'll be honest with you guys, I did buy two of these, one to resell, one to keep. It actually looks like the one I got to resell is here, but I thought this was the one that I got for myself. But it is right here. This is the size medium, so I'm not going to be opening it because like I said, I got this one to sell. It does have the Half Evil right here in this awesome tie-dye colorway thing they did. I think they said too it was like some sort of like mixed screen print that they did, so this is so sick. I think every single one looks different too, so that's even better. But yeah, right here it just has Half Evil. It's a regular standard 333 shirt. If they drop this for $3.33, then you pay like the $666 shipping. Ends up being about $10 shipped for a t-shirt. I love that they do that. It's cool seeing companies do like affordable streetwear for people that can't really necessarily afford like a $60 Supreme tee. So I love when companies do this. And like I said, I'm just talking them up so much because I love Half Evil. I'm just so hyped on how far they have came. This tee was sick. I can't wait to get my personal one in the mail. Sorry though that I am selling this one. I know a lot of people hate when people resell smaller brands like that. I'm sorry to be that guy. Huge shout out to them. Like I said, that's basically going to do it for the Half Evil part of the unboxing. But I do want to talk a little bit about a giveaway I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing two giveaways. I did a giveaway for once I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. That was like 2 years ago, I think I did that. And I want to do another one for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm not really that close, but I am kind of close. I'm at about like 600 right now, so I'm still about 400 away. But once I get a little bit closer, I'm going to make a video about that one. I don't know what I'm going to give away, but I want to give something away for hitting 1,000 subscribers because thank you to every single one of you that has subscribed to the channel. Another shameless plug, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I am going to be doing an Instagram giveaway. Like I stated a few months back, I did make a new Instagram. I'm nowhere near the amount of followers I had, so I'm trying to get my following up, so I will be doing a giveaway on there with my friend Joey, which you have seen him on the channel multiple times. You will see both of our Instagrams in the description down below, and just make sure you follow both of us so you can be alerted whenever we do discuss the giveaway because it's still kind of in the works right now. We don't really know exactly what we're doing. It's not going to be anything crazy. It's just going to be like a bunch of Supreme accessories, but like the smaller free gifts and some stickers, something like that. Something small for right now because I do want to do something a little bit bigger for once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you are interested in any of those giveaways, make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you follow me and Fear of Joe on Instagram. Like I said though, both of our Instagrams will be in the description down below. So I know this was a very quick video, basically like a talking video if anything, but I thought since they just hit 100k, I'm trying to hit 1,000, so I felt like it like kind of blended together. I should talk about my giveaway in this video rather than making like a 1-minute unboxing just for this t-shirt. So again, before I go, huge shout out to Half Evil again, and huge shout out to you guys because I'm getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.